Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over my Sephora Rouge VIB sale that they had. I only picked up a few items from the sale and I wanted to share or haul that things with you guys and tell you my thoughts on them. So if you want to see the items that I picked up during the sale, just stay tuned. All right, so the VIB sale that they just had a few weeks back, I normally take advantage of that time period to re-up on some of my things that I absolutely love. So that's what I'm going to share with you first. So I replaced my Shiseido facial cottons. I love these for my face. Whenever I'm trying to do my toners or anything like that, absolutely love these. These are super soft. And this is just me getting a backup of that. I'm about a third through the current one that used to be my backup, so got some more of those. Also love the Sephora from the Sephora collection. I love their wipes, so I got some more of these. I'm about to run out of those that I have in my bathroom currently. So this one is one of my favorites, the Soothing Cleansing Wipes. It has the coconut scent in it. Coconut. And then another one of my favorites is the rose scented one here. So I normally get the bigger packages of both of these. So picked up the wipes. And then I also picked up this set from Sol de Janeiro. So I'm going to go over these scents with you guys real quickly. I picked this set up also, a set that Sol de Janeiro did also back in the fall for Sephora, and it was this set here. So I'm gonna compare these with you real quick because the only difference in the two, so if you got the one from the fall, the only difference in the two here that I'm seeing so far is that this one has number 40 in it and this one has number 76 in it. So I'm going to open this up and go over the scents with you guys real quick. And I'm going to see if there are different sizes as well. Because this one, what did it say? It doesn't tell you the sizes on the outside of here. But let's see if the bottle says it. 1 fluid ounce or 30 mils. So that's what the set from the fall included. So I'm pulling those out. Because these are, so what they do is they do a collection for Sephora. They do another collection for Ulta. I am going to do my Ulta haul as well in the next video. But I wanted to compare. Because if you notice, they always say exclusive on here. So this one says exclusive. And then this one says, if you look at the corner, it says only at Sephora. So they try to do these sets for each of the companies. And in this particular one, like I said, the only change from the one that they did in the fall was the fact that they did the number 76 versus doing the other one. So let me open it here. You coming out of here one way or the other. Okay. So they look like they're the same size. They're just in bigger packaging. So let me pop these out of here. Yes, 1 fluid ounce. So, like I said, the only difference in the two is the one had 76 in and the other one had 40. So I'm not going to spray all of these. I will put the two together. So these are the duplicates. The 62, 59, and 68. And these were the two that were different. All right, so let's go and sniff these real quick. And we're gonna, I'm not gonna do number 62. Number 62 is the familiar Bum Bum Cream scent that has the Cheirosa 62. They have a perfume in it now at this point. But the scent, in case anyone doesn't know, is pistachio salty caramel scent. And I absolutely love this scent. I have the big, if you saw my haul from the winter time, I got the big Bum Bum Jet Set where it has the bigger size of all of those. So, you know, having these little ones for travel, the 1 milliliter, well, 30 milliliter, but 1 fluid ounce size is very good for traveling. So I'm glad to have that. What I don't have is these other scents. So I'm going to try this, sniff these real quick, along with the 76 and 40. And I'm going to look up, because they don't have the number 59 on the back of the other one. So I'm going to look that up real quick. What does that say? The number 40. All right. So let's put these in numerical order. So we'll do 76 first, and I'll do 68, then I'll do 59, and then I'll do 40. All right, so 76 is Midnight Jasmine, Amber Woods. And that's exactly what it's giving. It's giving jasmine woody scent. A sweet jasmine woody scent. So that's a good one. I love jasmine, so I definitely will get on with that one. And then 68 says that it is pink dragon fruit and Brazilian jasmine. So not midnight jasmine, but Brazilian jasmine. I like that. That pink dragon fruit is nice. I like that. Got 2 of them, so I like that. All right, and then the next one is 59. 59 says it has vanilla orchid and sheer sandalwood. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It smells good as well. I do like that one as well. So far, this 76 is my favorite, though. And this 40, I had to look this one up. 40 says that it has black amber, plum, jasmine blooms, and vanilla woods. I'm not really picking too much up on the plum note. Okay, now I do. It had to settle there for a second. Let's see here. It's nice. My favorite is still the 76. Yeah, my favorite is still the 76, and then it probably will be the 59. So the 76 one says that it had the midnight jasmine and amber woods, and then the 59 said it had vanilla orchid and sheer sandalwood. So those 2 are my favorite in there, but those were the sets. So the set came with 62, 68 from this time around, 59, and 76. So in the 76 is my favorite. This is my favorite out of this set. And well, you guys already know that my other favorite is 62. I love that one already. But out of these ones that I tried, I would have to say 76 is first. You know, 62 is a given. And let me do. Yeah. Then I would say that it is the 68. And then the 59. Other than that, you guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.